Why do I think this equals this? And why is Babel not just a story, but a warning we cannot afford to ignore? 4,300 years ago, 55 miles south of Baghdad, humanity, under the leadership of Nimrod, whose name means rebellion, had come together with one language and one purpose: to rebel against God. The results? A massive ziggurat, now known to us as the Tower of Babel. Now, Nimrod, a grandson of Ham, who was the son of Noah, was not only defying God's orders to spread out and fill the world, but interesting to note that the historian Flavius Josephus records Nimrod as leading this rebellion out of contempt for God. Lest God should have a mind to flood the earth again, this tower would be too tall for those waters to reach. Nimrod obviously did not believe God's promise that he would never flood the earth again. God observes what's happening and says something chilling. Behold, they are one people with one language, and nothing they plan will be impossible for them. Okay, but nothing? Like nothing? Because I have some questions. Like, what about time travel? But God intervenes. He confuses their languages and scatters the people, giving us this vast variety of cultures and languages that we now have today. And just 17 verses later, Abraham appears. And according to Jewish tradition, we are told that Abraham and Nimrod were actually contemporaries, and that Abraham defied Nimrod boldly at Babel. Now fast forward to 2025. For the first time in 4,300 years, we are very, very close to having one language again. The invention explosion of the last 200 years has given us machines, airplanes, the telephone, electricity, cars, smartphones, satellite, and now AI. Which, among the better things that it can do, is translate languages instantly. And it would appear that once again, nothing they imagine will be impossible for them. And studies predict that we are just 5 to 10 years away from this worldwide language reconnection again, which are the same exact statistics we are given for when the gospel should reach every tribe, nation, and tongue, as spoken of in Matthew 24. So take heart, fear not. We serve an amazing God who holds the script and is the rewarder of those who diligently seek him. So study the scriptures, befriend the author of this book, watch and be ready. And while watching, use the advancement in technology for the advancement of the gospel.